Well, welcome back to the channel and good morning. Well, it's Monday morning and day 2 of our corn harvest. So I'm putting diesel in the truck to diesel the combine. We're out of grease, so Dad went and go get some grease, but we're gonna get everything serviced and get rolling here pretty soon. But we'll talk to you then. Alright, we back at the cornfield. We got here a little after 10 this morning. We got going a little after 10. We've been dieseling, greasing. We blow our filters out every day, or try to. So we just like this little neck that shoots back that way and a little bit that way. And we ate us early lunch, so he's done cut a good over rounded hopper full. So we're gonna try to get this field knocked out and get moved up to the road. He can't never get lined up good with the middle. But he does pretty good for he's 77 years old. Well, I came in to unload a load and Dad called and said he needed a header sprocket. So I found this one. It's not a new one, it's a used one. The bearing seems good. Why it was taken off, I don't know. But I'm gonna get back to the field with that. So here's our bad one. I won't say it's shot, but it fits right there, you can see it, but it goes over there underneath the bottom. All right, we back at the shop. We got the old 1660 hooked to a junk header we got. This red thing, this rods that adjusts the idler, that is another problem we have with the one we're trying to run. So the dealership didn't have none of them in stock, so we just happened to think we had some pretty good ones on here, and it's a good reason to keep old stuff around, I guess, sometimes. Well, good morning. So day 2 ended up with a header problem, gathering chains. Got him working on that. Tire shop called. They're coming down to put the new rear tires on. So I jumped in this white truck, gonna run over and get the 1660 because we're gonna take the front tires off of it and put on our 2366, and now this truck won't crank. So day 3 has started out awful. Maybe we'll get back in the field here pretty soon. Well, I'm having to jump the other truck off now. Hughes, you just ain't looking good, is it? We ended up putting a new gathering chain. Got this off the junk header. It was almost new. Same for the adjustments and sprocket. So we should be good on that. Well, we did get the radial Firestones after all. They've got the back swapped out and working on swapping the 1660 and 2366. Front tires out, and we're doing all this in the field, not at the shop. Well, we're gonna finish this field just here in just a few minutes. It's starting to get dark. We was hoping to be able to finish this yesterday and get moved on. Well, we had them gathering chain problem, so we thought we'd get this finished today and get moved on to the next field. But the tires came in, and so we did get that done. Got the gathering chains. Had to put another battery in the white truck, the red truck, just a loose connection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far, God bless you for putting up with me that long. But if you like the video, like it. I like reading your comments. I try to reply back to them. You can follow me on TikTok. I also have an Instagram. I'll put them down in the, well, I'll just put them on the screen there. I'll put my link to my Facebook in the description and my Gmail. So I'm just gonna let them roll for a little bit.